Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change notification bar in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, go to settings of your phone. Go to settings here. Then go to display and brightness and here select status bar and here click on notification method. By default, it is set to icons. Okay, so here in the status bar icon is showing for the notification. See here, Google Play icon is showing. Google Play is received notification, so notification method is icon. Okay, Google Play icon is showing. If you select second option numbers, then only numbers will be showing. Okay, instead of icon, numbers will be showing. So one is showing here for Google Play. Okay, then third one is none. If you select none, no notification bar will be showing. No notification will be showing in the notification bar, that is status bar. Okay, so in this way you can easily change a notification bar in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. Okay, I finally keep it in icons option. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.